Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. Got the great pleasure today of taking on a walk round tour of a fantastic motorhome that we've now currently got in stock in a 2017 Swift Champagne 674 4-berth motorhome with an automatic transmission gearbox. So I'm just going to take you on that tour and show you exactly what this motorhome has to offer. So here is a good look at this particular motorhome. In absolutely fantastic condition, which is one of the primary reasons we've decided to take it into stock. So as we come down the side of the motorhome, you've got your electric hookup point there, your water inlet located there, your cassette toilet, and you also have an exterior shower point there as well. Some fantastic alloy wheels in great condition, and one of the other key benefits that you have on this particular motorhome as well is it already has a bike rack fitted to the rear. So we're just going to have a wander round and a wander through. Around this side, you've got a side access hatch to underneath that wonderful U-shaped lounge at the rear. Your gas section there for your gas bottle. You've got a 230 volt exterior socket, also an exterior barbecue point. And as you can see by the look of it, in absolutely fantastic condition for a vehicle of this age and extremely well priced as well. So we're just going to step inside. So you've got 4 travelling seat belts. So 2 at the front there. And then you've also got 2 located here. You've got a wonderful little dining area here at the front of the motorhome. Plenty of storage throughout, with a wonderful panoramic sunroof at the front as well. And a good look then at your automatic gearbox there and the front cab area with 2 extremely comfortable captain's chairs. You've got a triple arm TV bracket located on the side here for a television should that be a consideration for you. Benefiting from the Truma blown air heating system and your main controls for the motorhome located there, and also your fresh water and waste section there. You've got 3 gas hob burners on a combination oven and grill with further storage underneath, and also a nice spacious sideboard extension to a very spacious kitchen area. You've got an easy usable height microwave and an omnivent located in the kitchen area, and also benefiting from a nice tall larder fridge. Your washroom, you have a combination shower and toilet area with further storage inside and a small Hecky light and a high quality of finish on the sink area. Further storage in the kitchen area and also above the fridge, and plenty of storage as we come to the rear of the motorhome with a generous sized Hecky light and a wonderful U-shaped rear lounge area which converts up into the double bed. So, as I say, plenty of storage in your storage cupboards throughout the motorhome, a lot of depth, so all of those amenities and things that you would need to tuck away. Also located inside this cupboard here is the solar panel regulator. So the motorhome is also benefiting from a solar panel. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding for what this motorhome is all about. As I said earlier, it's a 2017 Swift Champagne 674. I believe just a touch over 12,500 miles on the clock on an automatic gearbox. If you've got any other queries or questions about this motorhome, please feel free to contact us. We're more than happy to answer any questions, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much for all of us at Grantham. I hope you enjoy the video. Bye-bye now.